welcome to J Dragon Gaming. Today I am going to show what happens if we follow the police in Gangstar Vegas. As you know, many people have a doubt what happens if we follow the police in Gangstar Vegas. So let's follow the police. Rather,
You've got 101.4. You've got Barry Jones, and that.
let's go. So let's find a police car. So guys, we have found a. So guys, we did not find a police car here nearby. I guess a police car is there. So guys, we have found a police car. So let's follow it. And Tawny is my favorite car, as you know. Because this goes slowly and this makes the video good. And if I take any bakery or if I take some other car like taxi or something else, so let's follow the police car. We have found the two police cars here, and these are near the police headquarters. So there are two police guys on this police car. So the front car took right and this took left.
Changed in decades, so why should you use it? Classic vibes. 101.4, where the classic vibes stay alive. Classic vibes. 101.4. Hello, Vegas. It's me again, Barry Jones. Not sure if you felt that little shake-up earlier, but geologists have confirmed that a small quake rocked Lone Mountain earlier today. As long-time listeners know, I am quite convinced that an
I don't know why these police cars
never
and these
known
street cars
is
drive
living
so
directly
slowly.
beneath us and will one day awaken and tear out of the desert like an angry god, thirsty for the blood of wicked men. But since that's not happening right now, and all is fine, I suppose that's neither here nor there. This is Barry Jones, and you're listening to 101.4 Classic Vibe. I got a whole lot of trouble with the money I got. I got a whole lot of trouble with the money I got. I got a whole lot of money that I ain't got time. Spending every dime of this money of mine. A whole lot of nothing when I have a lot of time. And a whole lot of nothing when I have a lot of time. A whole lot of nothing till I got some money. And so many friends that it wasn't even funny. Had a lot of action when I
so I can find another police car again. I think it's taking a U-turn. So it's going here.
That was the Hillbilly Hellcats with Having It All. And this is 101.4. You may not be young anymore, but the music never gets old. 101.4. All right, Vegas. Let's let Joel Evans and his friends give us a spelling lesson with LAS.
It's an just miss, guys, or else I would
Vegas.
dash the police car.
LASVEGAS spells Vegas. Down where you are sure to have a ball. City that's as cool as it is hot. That's Vegas. Place up and you can win it all. LASVEGAS spells Vegas. Place where you can party all night long.
Guys, I have observed one thing. This car is going only near the main city, as you can see. At starting, it has roamed near the helicopter tower, which is there, as you can see. There it has roamed near the helicopter tower. After that, it has come to main city, and again and again it's taking U-turns near this city.
Single, you can go there to wed. Take your vows in a drive-through, or try Elvis instead. The thrill of a lifetime, guaranteed to excite. Roll the dice, this is Vegas. It's magic every night. Get lucky. LASVEGAS.
Guys, again it's taking the U-turn at same place, and this is the second time. And last time it took the U-turn near the airport area. And it's stopping for some time, as you can see. Just now it has stopped for some time. Guys, last time also it went in this way only.
Vegas. Let's let Joel Evans and his friends give us a spelling lesson with LASVEGAS.
Guys, I have made this video because one of my friends asked, so many of my friends asked that what happens if we follow the police car in Gangstar Vegas. So for seeing that, I have made this video. I guess nothing would happen if we follow the police. But still, in other videos when I saw in YouTube, they are showing like something that the police So for clearing these doubts, I am following this police. If nothing happens, nothing would happen if we follow the police. So let's see. And it almost took 10 minutes or 11 minutes. Oh, it took 10 minutes 28 seconds from the time we have followed. I can find 3 guys, one patrolling bike, 2 of the police car just now. Just now I saw 2 police cars were about to crash. So just turn again. So I can, Okay. So this is the dead end. So we need to take the U-turn. So I can. So the guy back of is still coming. So I can find the supercar instead of Galpina here. So let's go. Is the back. So I'll at least follow this car for 20 or 15 minutes. I can find another police car here.
Okay, rockers, it's the time of day when we hit the phones and take calls from you, our loyal listeners. Let's see what sick things are happening in your minds. Hey, you're on the night. What's happening?
Yo, I just want to ask what happened to thrash metal. It used to be everywhere, and then losers and dorks made sure it disappeared.
That's one viewpoint, but I think it's more complicated than that. I guess at its core, it's all about trends. Thrash metal used to be a force to be reckoned with on the airwaves until a
I think it
combination
would
of
take a U-turn.
oversaturation and the hunger for the next big thing forced new artists to expand their horizons. You could say that it all went the way of folk or prog rock. It's all about the free market, right?
Yeah. Hey, you don't want to punish me for not understanding the free market, do you?
God damn it! I'm a DJ now. Do you hear me, Worm? Now say you're sorry, or I'll beat you until you're seeing double.
Oh, yes, mistress. Sorry, mistress.
If you want to call me and talk about rock music, then do it. But if not, stay off my phone.
Yo, tired of basic hygienic needs cramping your style?
I just wanted to keep dancing, but after 3 days, some loser bouncer kicked my ass to the curb. Said I smelled like a septic tank. Whatever, I am a tank.
So it
Step into my ring, brah.
Don't get
This police car came in the same road again.
rubber ducky on the market loaded with Epic Quake 69X speakers.
This duck blasts the bass while I scrub my face. It's a rubber duck dub in this tub, bitch.
Whoop, dup, dup. Don't drop the soap, drop the bass.
Rosie Palm and the Fast Five, playing this Friday night at the arena at La French Baguette Casino. The 10th caller is going to
And
have
in
to
the
answer
other
our
video I
trivia
have
question
even
of the
observed,
day to win them.
if you
Let's
have
go to the
police
phones.
awareness fully also,
Hello, caller.
if we
You're on the air.
crash the police car, nothing would happen. If we crash or dash the police car, nothing would happen.
Okay.
But still, if you follow and dash the police car, they immediately
75 miles per hour.
attack us.
15 minutes later, a
And we immediately
supersonic
get the
jet
1
hits a
star.
secret government airfield 4 miles to the north, heading northwest at 2,000 miles per hour. What is the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle formed by their differing trajectories? You got 5 seconds. Time is running out.
What? It isn't six?
No. Wow, how can you be so stupid? My grandpa could have gotten that question and he's dead. We'll try again in the next hour.
So this police car have went in downtown highway. I don't know what happens to this police car. When these dash to other cars, nothing would happen. I started following this police car when my charging was 21%. And by this time it has become 15%. So I don't want to hear this freaking radio. So again I can find the same police car. Again. So is this police car took any of the ride? So here we go, we find. Suddenly it has increased the speed. If there are no vehicles, this police car would increase its speed. And if you are some far off the police car, immediately it increases the speed and takes right or left. And it is the second time which has happened. And again sunset, and it's going to be this sunset. From the sunrise to sunset, we have followed this police car. And this police car has nothing to say, just it's moving faster and trying to distract us. So it had been correctly 19 minutes till we are following it, as you can see here. As you can see, again he says stop in middle. We have lost the police car. So just now this police car I think it would take a U-turn. So let's be careful. So this police car is going again. And I don't know how the sunrise till the sunrise to sunset, it only took hardly 20 minutes. See, it had become night. It had become night in just 20 minutes. It takes at least 20 hours till morning to night, and here you can see the sunrise and sunset had happened between Just 20 minutes. And my tab is very old, and I'll buy a new tab now. It's better that I have Tony, or else if I would have some like Pasari or taxi, this would directly go and crash the police car by this time. As this car is very slow, it's better. And we can't ride as slow as this police car, as you know, because it's very irritating to ride like this. So as I crashed the pole, this police car also crashed the pole. So next time I'll show my new taxi to you all. I like the taxi in yellow color, and it's the default color, but still I like it. I don't like this blue or green or orange taxis. So I'll deliver it, and I have even poison. As you know, we can get the free poison. This police car is immediately increasing speed, and by the time we increase the speed, it immediately decreases the speed. So it was a close miss. So when I crash to the pole, immediately it also crashes to the pole. So let me mark this point, because I have found a ladder here. I'll just check that we can climb the ladder or not. I don't know why these two but it was about to take a U-turn, and it immediately took right. If it takes right, it need to take right like this. But this goes straight and takes right like this. For following or for showing something, Tony is the best car. So again it came to the same point where it had come before. I can hear some insect noises, as you know. That is the rocking insect. This comes in real life. till it becomes the day I'll follow this police car. So guys, by mistake I have crashed the car. So that's all guys. So it's not my mistake, but immediately this car stopped. But I can say that if we follow a police car, the police car would try to distract us. So from here we will end our episode. The police cars won't do anything if we follow, but they try to distract us or they try to make us crash to them. They immediately use brakes or do something to make us confused that where did they go. They immediately go in they go in less speed, and immediately they increase their speed and take right, and immediately they take right again, and before we know that they took right or left, they immediately take left, and they take right, left, anything. So following police would not do anything, but it makes the police make an small thing on you, that small doubt on you that he's following me, so he stops, or again he tries to distract you, and he immediately increases speed, or he makes you crash to him. And sometimes the two three police cars come near us and making us distract. They think that we would find him. So let's come to conclusion guys. Nothing would happen if we follow a police car. They would just try to distract us by applying sudden brakes or doing something else. So thanks for watching this video, and don't believe rumors that if you follow a police car, the police would come. The police would try to do these things, and they even call the other police cars at the same spot for knowing that if he is culprit, we can easily capture them. At the moment, if there are 2-3 police bikes and cars, if we crash the police, they can easily trap us. So bye guys. So let us end our video. Please do like and subscribe our channel. And many people are not making any comments, and I have started this channel 2 months before, but my first video I have uploaded many of the videos, but those videos are only of music in Minecraft. I have uploaded many of these, but I didn't like this. But please don't like and subscribe. I'll even start Minecraft survival series. Please watch them. And even I'll start Clash Royale. So bye guys.